These fit meal prep takeout boxes offer a generous 32-ounce capacity that comfortably holds full portions of noodles, rice dishes, and saucy entrees without feeling flimsy or overstuffed. The sturdy paper construction and well-fitted design do an impressive job of resisting leaks and grease, so food stays presentable and mess is kept to a minimum during transport. With a bulk pack of 450 containers, they are very practical for restaurants, food trucks, and catering operations that need reliable packaging on hand every day. The classic plain white exterior makes these boxes versatile for both business branding and home use, since you can easily add labels, stamps, or stickers for a clean custom look. They are also handy for parties and events, doubling as favor boxes for cookies, candies, and small gifts when you want packaging that looks neat and holds up well. Made from food-safe paper sourced with sustainability in mind, these containers balance everyday practicality with a more responsible material choice than many plastic alternatives.